Hello, my name is Matt Fleming. I work at the Hydrologic Engineering Center, and in this presentation, we're going to briefly introduce the scripting capability in HEC-DSSVue and really focus on how you could use it for creating plots. All right, what is scripting? Well, scripting is a way to automate a sequence of actions in a piece of software. It's could be used to extend the capabilities within a piece of software. And what I really like about scripting is it's a way to ensure repeatability and consistency in results. And it's a way to reduce time to generate those results. The use case that I have for scripting plots in DSSVue is really focused on creating plots that look a certain way, um, having it done in a repeatable way. And the example is, let's say you're calibrating a model. It could be a HMS model or a ResSim model or a RAS model, and you're running the model a couple of times. You're iterating, you're modifying model parameters. And whenever you run the simulation, you're looking at certain results and you're plotting those results. And maybe when you're plotting those results, you've already customized the viewports, the way that data is being plotted on certain axes. You've customized the minimum and maximum, the line properties, the title for the plots, and so on. What you don't want to do is every time you rerun a simulation and open a plot, having to go through the steps to set those line styles, the line properties, the weights for the lines, the weights for the viewports, and so on. And what you want is you want to use a repeatable way to continuously open up those plots. And what you can do is use the scripting capabilities in HEC-DSSVue to open that plot and apply those same properties each time. Here's an example of a script specifically for a plot. You can see, we're not going to go into detail. There's going to be another presentation within the DSSVue class that goes into much more detail about how to create plots and then how to use the different methods that are available from the DSS library or DSSVue library to customize or to help you create those scripts. But in this example, we're going to look at, well, if we look at this script, we have open a DSS file. So here's the open method, and you give it a name of the DSS file. Usually there's going to be a path name, so there would be more information for finding that DSS file. There's a time window, so you need to set the start time and the end time for information that's going to be plotted. You can choose well, specifically, this is getting a stage record. So stage within the DSS file, find this record. You can see that the B, C, E, and F path name parts. There's a close method here, so we need to close the DSS file. And then plot, we're going to create a new plot. So there's the new plot method. There's the name of the plot that's going to be created. We're adding data to the plot. It's the stage data that we loaded from the DSS file. And then the show plot method is what's used to open the plot so that you can see it. And then we can customize the information that's being plotted. So the stage curve within the plot, well, we're getting the curve using the stage data set that we currently loaded into memory. And then once we have that stage data set or stage curve, we can set the line color to dark green, the line width to 1, and the line style to solid. There's many more methods that are available from the application interface, program interface, the API for DSS and DSSVue. And so you can access many other things, but for this simple example, we're setting the line color, the line width, and the line style whenever the plot is created. The way that you can run scripts is from the script editor within DSSVue. You can access the script editor from the Tools menu. Once you go to the Tools menu, there should be a script editor option from the drop-down menu. And once you choose the script editor, this figure on the right side should open for you. It's what we call the script editor. If you want to add a new script to the script editor, there's a couple of ways to do it. First, you select the DSSVue folder here, And you can right-click and choose New Script, or you can go to the File menu and choose New. Once you have a new script loaded here, you can enter the name. The name is also the label for the script, so you'd enter the name here. And then there's a couple of other options here to show it in the scripts menu, show it in the script selector, add a toolbar or an icon in the toolbar to launch the script, and so on. You can also enter the description for the script as well. Once you have the script loaded into your script viewer, the tree area here, you would just select your new script, and then the editor has an option or area within the editor for actually entering the script information. So part of this, we're not trying to create a script from scratch. The workshop that's associated with this lecture, there's already a script, a text file that you're going to copy and paste into the script editor to run. Once you have your script filled out, then you can test it by clicking the Save and Test button in the bottom left area of the editor. If you need to edit a script, so maybe you have an existing script that you want to use, and you load that in, maybe you copy and paste from a text file. You can save and test it. If you need to edit it, then you just right-click on the script and choose Edit Script. This area of the editor will become active so that you can edit the script, and once you've made those edits, you can save and test. Running a script from the editor, we've already talked about that. You just click the Run, save and test it. And then the information from the script, let me go back. Once you have it working successfully, will pop up for you. In the case of the plotting script, whenever you hit the test option for the plotting script in the workshop, a new plot should open for you. All right, knowledge checkpoint 4, or the knowledge checkpoint for this presentation. What's the purpose of a script in DSSVue? It's really to automate those repetitive steps that you don't want to manually do. The script editor, this is a nice user interface within DSSVue that lets you view scripts that maybe someone else created and you want to simply run within your DSSVue environment, or if you want to take those existing scripts and do slight modifications and run them. All right, here's some links for some additional training, and then if you look at the lecture and workshop associated with this topic, plotting capabilities, there is a task that lets you run through the different, a script for creating a plot, and you can look at the different methods that are available within the script, and you can make modifications to the parameters for those methods and see how that impacts the plot. All right, thank you for your time.